Dash cams can't prevent car accidents, but they can help provide evidence of collisions or even surveillance when parked. And in this video, I'm taking a look at the Vivilink T20X dashcam. The T20X captures up to 1440p resolution and has a 170-degree view that can capture almost everything on the road in front of you. Included in the package is a USB charging cable, an adhesive mount, a suction cup mount, long power cable, reset tool, a trim tool for tucking in the power cable, and instruction manual. On one side are the power and lock buttons, mode button, and an OK button. On the other side are the menu navigation buttons and the SD card slot. The T20X supports up to 128GB Class 10 microSD card, which is not included. On the front is a speaker that can be turned off, and on the bottom you'll find the microphone and a reset button. The suction cup mount just slides onto the top of the camera and clicks into place. One thing you do need to know is that this dashcam has to be plugged in to record while driving. It comes installed with a built-in battery, but it only runs about 10 minutes when fully charged. It's not intended for extended use or long recording sessions on battery power. And regarding the charging cable, I'm surprised that they designed this using a mini USB instead of a micro USB. But the cigarette lighter plug does give you a USB port in case your car doesn't have one. Changing settings like resolution, motion detection, and startup sounds is easy through the simple menu on the 3-inch screen. When you insert an SD card in the camera, it will need to be formatted before use. Now let's get this on the road and get some test footage. You will be able to monitor the shot when you start your vehicle. Then after about a minute, the screen will turn off, but it'll keep recording to prevent driver distraction. When you have loop recording activated, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space even if you have a low-capacity memory card. The oldest recordings will automatically be deleted, and new ones will continuously be captured. However, important clips can be locked so they're not erased. You can tell it's recording when you see the blue blinking LED on the back, but it's kind of hard to see in the daylight. If the screen is off, tapping any button will turn the screen back on. Recordings can be set to 1, 3, or 5-minute durations, with 3 minutes being the most typical. The lens offers a 170-degree view, so it's really wide and the T20X can see almost everything in front of your windshield. However, license plates appear very small and are hard to see in the footage. But you'll find this true with any wide-angle lens. Objects are going to appear small at a distance. But because it shoots in 1440p, you may be able to zoom in enough to read license plates with video or photo editing software. The Vivilink dashcam does have night vision, but I find that it doesn't really do that much. Your headlights will provide much better lighting at night. There are other functions like 24-hour parking mode, time-lapse recording, and motion detection, but all those require a hardwired kit which is sold separately. Transferring footage to a computer is easy. Just plug the camera into a USB port with the provided cable, or simply eject the SD card, use an adapter and insert it into a memory card slot. Overall, the T20X provides excellent recordings while on the road. One of the best features is the 1440p resolution, which can deliver ultra-clear shots. Just plug this camera in and you won't have to think about it. The Vivilink T20X is always recording when your vehicle is on, so you'll never miss an event on the road. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.